get the jackpot active and collect active. Hopefully, I'm happy with the mini. Come on, be nice to us. And I'm betting 10 cents, $4. Hopefully, we can get something good. Come on. Diamond. Alright. Come on. There you go. Come on, just give us the mini. I'm already happy with the mini. Maxi, alright. Oh, one more for the major. Come on, diamond. Yes. That's good. How about just give me the major? I'm gonna be so happy. I know, right? Even okay, mini is good. I know. Exactly. But just give us a major. Oh, no, I will not get the brand. I don't expect that one. But I know the mini. Come on, I think. Okay. Mini or my major? Ah, shit. You're wasting it. Oh, no. We're wasting it. Ay. Okay, collect. That's good, that's good. Oh, nice. Come on, we need diamond. Come on. Oh, diamond. Come on, diamond. Oh, last spin. Don't do it, please. One more. Oh, no.
The gold is yours.
Oh, no. Okay. 8,850. Alright, that's it, guys. 8,850.